In today's video, I will walk you through how to record rent payments in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged in, go to the Create button at the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From the menu that appears, select Receive Payment. In the Customer field, select the tenant who made the payment. Make sure the tenant profile matches the customer used when the rent invoice was created. Next, enter the payment date based on when the money was actually received. Then enter the exact amount of rent that was received. If the payment is only part of the rent, enter the amount that was received. QuickBooks will record it as a partial payment, and the remaining balance on the invoice will stay open. You can also add a memo for your reference. Enter details such as the unit number or the month the rent payment covers, if needed. Next, go to the Deposit To field and select the correct bank account. Choose the bank account where the tenant's payment was deposited. Below, you'll see the tenant's open invoices. If the payment is for a specific rent invoice, select that invoice. The payment will then be applied directly to that invoice. If the payment covers the full invoice amount, the invoice will be closed. If the payment is less than the invoice amount, the invoice will remain open with the remaining balance. If you don't select an invoice, QuickBooks will hold the payment as a credit on the customer's account. You can apply that credit later when you create or send the rent invoice. The credit can be used to fully or partially pay the invoice. This option can be used when you receive the rent payment before issuing the invoice for that month. Before completing the transaction, review the tenant, payment date, amount received, and deposit account. Then confirm whether the payment should be applied to an invoice or left as a credit on the customer's account. Once you've confirmed these details, complete the transaction to record the rent payment in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.